As you guys can see, I am running GTA 5 on my Mali GPU tablet with almost 30 FPS. Let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, it's ApTreX here. In today's video, we'll be testing out GameHub Windows Emulator for Android on my Mali GPU 1 Plus tab. So this tablet has a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor, so pretty flagship processor with a Mali G710 GPU and 12GB of RAM, as you can see, out of which only 5GB is actually available, which is very poor RAM management by the way. But GameHub Windows Emulator for Android, the version 5.1.0, I have heard that is very optimized for low-end Mali GPU Android devices. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up GameHub Emulator on your Mali GPU Android devices and show you guys the best settings along with GTA 5 gameplay test. So here we'll go to the My section, and to start playing PC games inside the GameHub Windows Emulator, we'll go to Import PC Games. Afterwards, enable this option and go to the place where we have stored GTA 5, the game that I'll be testing out in today's video inside the GameHub Windows Emulator. Now when you add any game inside GameHub Emulator, it will start adding some stuff such as firmware, Proton, as well as DX wrappers, GTA 5 settings, and even Mali GPU drivers. Once all the assets have been successfully added, simply tap on the back button and you will be able to find your game that you want to run inside GameHub Emulator on a Mali GPU device. So let me show you guys how to actually set up this emulator and apply its best settings. We'll go to the game settings option. Here, resolution scaling, make sure to set it as low as possible, as Mali GPU Android devices with MediaTek or Exynos processors are not really supported for getting best performance. Afterwards, you'll need to go to compatibility section. Here, in terms of translation parameters, you'll need to set it to extreme performance parameter. So basically extreme means you'll get the best amount of performance possible with the parameter that we'll use. Afterwards, in terms of GPU driver, you'll need to go with the default system graphics driver. There is only one option in Mali GPU Android devices, and that is system driver. Once that's done, you guys can scroll down. In terms of DXVK version, make sure to go with DXVK 1.10.3. Now it will only show you guys all the DXVK wrappers that are available on Mali GPU Android devices. For example, you can see, just go with the default 1.10.3 asynchronous or 1.10.3. I'll go with the default. VKD3D should be 2.12, fixed should be fixed, latest 2025 September 10th build, and that's about it in terms of best settings. You can go to touch controls, make sure to enable the on-screen touch controls option, and yeah, successfully applied the best settings and set up the GameHub Windows Emulator on your low-end Android devices for playing games like GTA 5. Now if you also want to add a save file in the GTA 5 that you are trying, you can go to enter container desktop option. When you open the desktop container, you guys will see something like this. Now what you need to do is touch controls, disable this option, and native rendering, make sure to set it to disabled. Afterwards, you can go to the place where you have stored your GTA 5 save game. So here I'll simply copy it, go to my computer. Afterwards, go to the C drive, go to program data, and make sure to paste the GTA 5 save game right here. Once it has been successfully pasted, you can go back to program data, and as you guys can see, social club is here. So all you now have to do is simply go back, tap on the exit button, tap on back once again, and simply launch the game that you want to play. So here we'll simply tap on don't allow, afterwards tap on allow. And here we go, our game is about to start. Now, there are two reasons why your game may not work if you are trying to emulate it on a Mali GPU Android device. First of all, you need at least Dimensity 8000 processor or above, or similar equivalent version of Exynos processor. So basically, flagship Android devices if you want to use GameHub Emulator. Even though GTA 5 does work in GameHub Emulator on low-end Mali GPU Android devices, you cannot play it with a save game in many instances. And here we go guys, our GTA 5 is about to start on a Mali GPU Android device. Now there is an issue with GTA 5 running on this MediaTek or Exynos processor Android devices. So if you use a GTA 5 save file, as I mentioned before, you might face crashing issues or the game might not boot in game. That used to be the problem in older versions of GameHub Emulator, but let's find out if that has been fixed on the newest 5.1.0 of GameHub. And this tablet is no slouch. It has a literal Dimensity 9000 processor, which is a gaming chip with 12GB of RAM, so I think it should be able to handle GTA 5 with ease. So here we go guys, surprisingly the game has successfully booted with the save file, and as you will be able to see towards the top right of the screen, we are getting about 17 FPS. Let me increase brightness so you guys can see this game a bit better. Just take a look at this, we are running GTA 5 on our Mali GPU Android device with almost 30 FPS. So now that our game has successfully started, you can see it for yourself. Even with Mali GPU Android devices, GTA 5 works without any issues. So GameHub Emulator has made massive improvements for MediaTek, Exynos, and other processors with Mali GPU. Just take a look at this. We literally don't even have any graphical issues. This is the type of gameplay experience we always wanted to have on Mali GPU Android devices, and it is finally here with the help of GameHub Emulator 5.1.0. This is literally crazy and mind-blowing because this has never happened before. with any Windows emulators you were not able to boot into GTA 5 with proper graphical output. There would always be graphical glitches or very low unplayable 4 to 5 FPS. But no guys, if you have Dimensity 8000 or above, you can easily play GTA 5 on your mobile devices with playable gameplay experience. You can notice that there is no crashing issues or even freezing issues. The game is running properly with few stuttering issues here and there, and we are getting 30 FPS even in open world areas. So what more do you ask for? 30 FPS is a stable console level gameplay experience. As far as I know, you can literally complete your game on a Mali GPU Android device as well. So if you guys want to see a gameplay test video of me playing GTA 5 on my OnePlus tablet, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Let's hit 350 likes on today's video and I'll upload it as soon as possible. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you in setting up the GameHub Windows emulator for Mali GPU Android devices. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.